Hello guys, my name is Devendra. Today we will make Weldment table. So while you click on this part, click OK. Now click define. So make relation or any name. So now it's X direction. Provide here it's X. Have its direction change. Now it's X Z direction. So four lines here to here and last one here. Now click OK. Next in mid plane. Again do this all four edge. Same here. Take this line and this point, make relation midpoint, and this also click on midpoint. Now make relation now go to corner rectangle, click on here. Now it's Z direction, click tab button. Now it's X direction. Now again click tab button. Now it's XYZ direction. Select this. Now again draw a rectangle here to here. Now click OK. Now provide dimension. Center line to here. This is not in vertical, so delete this angle. Provide dimension is y, and same here. This is also y axis. Now click smart dimension and provide now dimension is 150 mm. And go to Weldment. Click on structure. Size is 14 into 14 into 4. Click on this four lines. Same here. Now it's selected. Now go to new group. Click on so now Now it's not selected, so click on new group. Take the 4 lines like this. Now again click new group. Take these also 4 lines. Now click. Now our Weldment structure is done. Click on this line. I need to hide this sketch. Now go to end cap. Now it's follow square tube. Click on end cap. Check this piece and from here to here its corner. Now need to fillet some or chamfer that 5 mm in here and the thickness is 2 mm. Now select these all hollow tube. Now click on any face. Okay. Now select center rectangle on its origin. Provide its dimension is 150 mm. Again here click extrude wash 10 mm in upside. Click shift button, press this shift. Go to reference, create a mid plane. Now it's created. Now click square tube. Select right plane, go to mirror command, select this body. Now it's mirror, click OK. Now need to select this front plane, go to mirror, select this mirror body and this original body. Click. Now its stand is done. Fuel is almost done. It's look good and strength is only high. Weldment, not glass. Now need to save this part. Text drop, image, element. For video, please subscribe this channel and like. Thank you.